Okay, we're going to look now at how to do the works cited listing for a web page, which in MLA format is actually kind of difficult. In APA it's much easier. But this is how you do it in MLA. I'm going to go first of all to our website and show you where I've posted a link to the model of the information that you need to cite a website. And I'm going to copy it. This is the information you need. And I'm going to put it on a document, make it bigger so we can see it. And oops, here, that's the, okay. And of course when it's done we have to do that indentation, but we'll do that last. Okay, let's go back now and look at this website. And the first thing I want to find is the name of an author. And here it is, Joseph Pritchard. And when you see this on the website, you'll see the first name and the last name. When you put it on the works cited, you're going to start with the last name. So I'm going to go Pritchard, and then Joseph. And the next thing I'm going to need is the article title. And this is, get it a little smaller so I can see it, Home Cooked Meals versus Fast Food Meals. And this is in quotation marks. It must be hyphenated. Let me check the title again. Fast food meals. All right, next is the website title. And this is kind of the tricky part, or the beginning of the tricky part. A page is connected to, usually, a main site, the same way you've got pages in a book. And the way I can find the main site usually is to go back to the first slash. Okay, I erase back to the first single slash in the URL. Push enter and see where that takes me. And I'll get, hopefully I'm going to get the home page. Livestrong.com looks like is the title of this web page. So I'm going to go back and, it's the title of the site, sorry. And I'm going to put in, this is in italics. Oops, let me go, livestrong.com. Or Livestrong, probably. Now, the next thing, this is really tricky, the publisher of the website. Okay, every website was put up here by somebody. Somebody did it, and who put this up here? Now, you've got actually a clue here, the official partner of the Livestrong Foundation. So I'll bet that's what it is. Another way you can often find out who put it up is if you click down here on something like About. Okay, Livestrong, and it may tell you who they're. Okay. Well, I'm going to go by what I saw up here. Where it says Livestrong Foundation. Go back to my list here. So I'm going to write Live Strong Foundation. Now you've got need the day, month, year that the article was published. And here you have to go back to your original article, where you got the title of the article. And here's a date on it. But remember, in MLA you do the day and then the month and then the year. So it's going to go 11 August 2011. And then you always put web, that means you got it online. And then this is what we call the date of access. It is the date that you looked at the article, the date that you found the article. And today is April 10th, 2013. So I'm going to say 10 April 2013. And then the URL is kind of optional now. It's very easy to find most things using Google without having the actual URL. Also, the URL is sometimes very long. Oops, this is not what I want. Okay, this one is not too bad. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to do Control A, Control C. Go back here and put in the URL. And it's in those triangular brackets. Okay, now remember that we have to do this funny indentation. I'm going to use my tab key, then I'm going to pull this out. Different word processing programs are going to do this in a different way. But this is okay now. This is ready to go. Now, when you cite this in the body of your text, you're going to use this guy's last name, Pritchard, and it will look like this. Okay.